Welcome to Lessons in RxJS Mastering the Operators. I'm Hudson Baker, a Senior Enterprise Software Engineer at Briebug. Let's talk about the RxJS operator, debounceTime. DebounceTime is a mapping operator that prevents the emission of the source observable for a given amount of time. If a new emission arrives before debounceTime has emitted, it will skip the older emission and only emit the latest value. The clock for debounceTime resets every time a value is emitted from the source observable. DebounceTime is useful for improving performance for rapidly occurring events. It slows down the rate of execution of a function so that it will only use the latest information. For example, let's make a filter where the function will only be called after 1500 milliseconds has elapsed. If the user is still typing, each key press emits the source observable and resets the debounce clock. Only when the user stops typing for 1500 milliseconds will the filter function be called. Use the right tool for the job. If you need to use values from another event to calculate the time to wait before emission, then use debounce. If the time value is static, use debounceTime. There are several stream timing operators available in RxJS. Find a good balance when using debounceTime. You don't want too much time for an emission or too little. This can cause a poor user experience. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about other time-related operators, check out audit time, audit, buffer time, debounce, delay, throttle, timeout, and time interval. See you in the next video.